you and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. I got a stick. Ooh, I got a stick.
So we're doing a hunt now this morning, and it's the rest of us, everybody Garrett here, and we're having a little competition so we can see who wins the best coin and who wins the best artefact. And I think we've got to pick teams, and it just takes ages trying to organise these guys, to be honest with you. It's like holding corks underwater trying to do anything. But I'm hopeful that silver box apparently is still here. So I'm going to try and find the silver box. Are you ready, Jips?
I'm ready. Where's the gold?
Good morning.
Hi, Henry.
How are you?
Oh, just get past you.
Alright, what's up? What's happening?
Well, I don't know, so I'm just going with the flow. We're good, us. We're good. Do you need a pep talk before we start?
Nope.
Just
I'm fired
keep
up.
it low and slow, right?
Low and slow.
No, go for the low targets as well. That should be motivating for you. Team Mud Pies. I've got KG, I've got Lang, and I've got Iron Mike and me. So that's got to be a winner, hasn't it? So this feels very muddy, but if you look there, can you see the line? If I stay on that line, I shouldn't sink. So hopefully I'm going to get a silver today. Anyway, I'll better go. A little bit of rubbish up to now. This one is a 68, so it's got potential to be something. Bzz, bzz. Come on. Ah, it's that little thing. Rubbish. Kick this back in. I really want to win, you know, I'm so competitive. I love a good competition. Don't believe it, but you know the 5 coins that was planted yesterday, there was only 2 of them found. And one of the other teams just found one of the golds over there, so they're going to have won that best coin, aren't they? But anyway, let's get back to me. I might find the box of treasure yet. Still on for it. So that's got potential to be something nice. Beep, 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 beep. Let's have a look. Come on. Need a nice bit of silver. Catch up where I can't beat gold now, though. What's in there? Oh, that is it. Oh, no. That's not going to win, is it? Best artefact. This is a nice signal, look. That could well be a coin. I think with that gold coin bin win, we're going to have to go for best artefact now. And there's something in this clumpity-dump-dump-dump. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, it's not a clumpity-dump-dump-dump. It's just a big stone. A big bit of lead. Oh, that's a bit. I'm not going to win with that. Please be a little coin. Please be a little... Stop, shut up. Please be a little coin. Please be... Oh, something. Oh, God, can't even hold it. What's up with me? Yeah, it's definitely a little coin, that. Of whose, I don't know. It's probably one of them one do-its that I've got loads of. Yeah, definitely a coin, that. Anyway, I love that. Yep. Ooh, this will probably, if it's anything like the others, will probably be dated about 17 something. But it's bent, so it could have been hit by a plough, or it could be a love token, if they have them in Holland. I don't know if they have love tokens in Holland, do they? At least it's not raining today. I spied around, I spied around. I found it. Please be silver, please be silver, please be silver. Nope, it's not silver. But again, I think it's one of those from about 1700. A one do it, I think it's called. Ooh, I love coins. Another 77. I'm hoping this is a little coin as well. You can never have too many coins, can you? It's very hard. Oh no. Every time I get my camera out, it's like, oh, it's shiny. Is it a bit of silver? I think it's a zipper. I think it's a zip. Well, I think this is a good artefact. It's a genuine piece of blue and white Delftware pottery. Yeah, I'll take that on. Yep. I don't see very much pottery, to be honest, on these. You would have thought there'd be loads. But there's no, look at that, look how beautiful it is today. What a shame. He battered it down yesterday. I've never been that wet in my entire life. She hadn't found anything.
I just put it in there. I've got about maybe 4 coins.
Right.
I couldn't, that one, whatever looked rolled, maybe like a tacoed coin.
Ah, right, like a rolled one.
Maybe.
They'll be probably quite old then. They're small ones, like a little tiny 1 cent type.
Tiny ones.
They're probably old. They're called a Duit, them, a D-U-I-T.
Do it?
Yeah, and they're from about 1700.
Really? You
Yeah.
found one?
Yeah, I've got about 7.
Really?
Yeah, I was cleaning them last night and some of them had the date on.
Oh, wow. I think that first coin that I found when we first got here, that first day, I got one of those little tiny ones. So maybe it's one.
Yeah, I bet it is when you
I
clean
haven't
it.
cleaned it up yet. Well, also, my team member over here found the gold coin.
Oh no. Oh no. Was it you, Mr. Gold? Can I see? Oh, this is who's found the gold. I bet you couldn't believe your eyes, could you?
No, couldn't.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Let's put it on here, so.
He also has a silver.
You've got a silver as well?
Yes, no silver.
What date? What year is that then?
18.
Oh, 75.
Yeah.
Wow, that's old.
They're so good condition gold coins, aren't they? Which king is that then?
King Willem the Third.
Willem the Third.
See, that's
Beautiful. Well done. I think you won the coin competition there, haven't you? And where's your silver?
Well, maybe Amaro wins it because
Oh,
he
it's
got
tiny, isn't it?
he has the silver.
10 cents. I think I found one of those last time. Is that a Willem as well, or whatever
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
called?
yeah.
Yeah, I think I found one of them. Oh, well done, you're on fire.
Yeah.
Should have picked you, shouldn't I? I didn't know your name, that's why I couldn't do it. Because what's your name?
HN.
HN.
It's always hard.
Yeah, that's why I didn't know how to say it, sorry.
French names are always hard.
Oh, you're French?
No, I'm not French.
Oh, but it's a French
Only
name.
the name.
Right. Anyway, somebody found that silver box, you know.
Yeah, right over here. You know
Oh,
what?
I'm
I walked
gutted.
so close.
Did
but
you?
He found, my team member found a silver coin, and so I was going to go check it out. And I missed it probably by a couple.
I'm devastated. I really wanted that box. Amaro from Team Garrett Europe has found the silver cash. How many was in it?
24
Were they not in a box? Were they just all together in the ground?
in the ground. 24.
Look at the big ones as well, aren't they? Oh, I'd have loved to have found them.
This one is the oldest.
That's the oldest one. How
This
old's
is
that one?
This is the biggest.
Right. Oldest and biggest. So how old's the old one?
I don't know.
And who's the person on it?
That's Queen Wilhelmina.
Ah, Queen Wilhelmina. They're beautiful, them, aren't they?
Before the war.
Right, do you want to do a dance? I think you should do. That's a nice little buckle. I don't think it's very old because it doesn't seem to have any decoration on. But it's an artefact. Yeah, I like buckles. My God, look how yellow that is. That's not a gold coin, is it? I'm scared to look. Wow. Oh, it's of 10 cents. Flaming coins that are gold coloured. Oh, heart attack. Oh, I really thought then that I'd found gold. Oh, listen to me breathing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Did you see what I've just flicked out? Please don't be a Red Bull tin. It looks too round for... Please. Oh. That's definitely silver. That's definitely silver. It looks like a pocket watch, or, you know, like when you get on pocket watches. Oh, fantastic! Oh yeah, well chuffed with that. That might win best artifact. What do you reckon? Bit of silver in the park for Donny. Oh yeah. Oh, well done, Barney. I'm having such a good time since I brought Barney out. I'm keeping Barney out now. 18 Max can stay at home. Oh yeah, fabuloso. I think this is a little bag seal. Is it? Yeah, little bag seal. Oh, it's such a good day today. What does it say? M and D. And that was my last hole. Look at it. But it was worth it, look. Please be a silver. Mind you, I've had some silver today now. I've just been being greedy. Yep, another coin for the little pot. Competition's over now. We've all got to go back. And now we're going to look in our teams and see who has got the best stuff. I think we're going to find... Oh! You're making me jump there. I think...
What have you found?
I can't tell you because you're not on my team.
Oh.
Team Mud Pie, and what we've got to do is decide what's best now. So this is mine. Do you think we should put that in for artifact?
This for sure. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Best
Let's show me what you found walking off the field. Where's your best finds?
$25.
$25.
I got a bunch of coins and all.
Get that big one that you found walking off the field. Because that's going to be our best coin find, isn't it? Not going to win because they've got gold, but that's a proper find. That is the difference, KG. Right, let's have a look. What's this?
Oh, that, I thought I had a hammered silver, but it's just a knockout.
Where's that big silver? He's had a big silver. Let's have a look at Langy's. Is this yours, Mike?
Yeah.
Now, Mike has got some coins.
Your box there, Mike? Is that your box? Yeah. Oh, piling
It's nice. Probably an escutcheon off a drawer. Garrett tokens, bag seal, some coins. This Langy.
Yep.
So let's have a look what you've got.
The Garrett tokens.
Garrett oh, did you? I got one of them. Thought it was gold, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, but I've got a bit of blue and white Delft pottery.
Yeah.
Is that, what's that?
I don't know. I don't know what any of them are.
Is that silver?
Don't know. I found a bunch of it, but there was about 3 together.
Right, where's this ring?
There's that worked bit of flint.
Work flint?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And a barrel tap spigot.
Oh,
That's a beauty, that is.
that's nice as well.
And then a silver and amethyst string crushed.
Crushed silver and amethyst.
Look at this, like, way the stone's cut really weirdly to one side. It's not like symmetrical. But yeah, I like that.
So what are we putting in, that or mine?
Your is more.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know though, I like that. I like purple stones though.
I like the stone. Yeah. But it's
What do you think?
I
Who's that there now? Oh, it's yeah.
It's me. I think that one.
Do you? Are you sure?
Yeah, let me see. It's like of a watch.
Yeah. Is this my pot here, isn't it? What's that little? Is it a little pottery doll?
It looks like it, yeah. A leg.
Was that silver?
Yeah, that's Leo's.
Oh, right. These yours, Leo?
Yeah.
And this is mine.
Ah. Right, we're just. Are they you collecting? Thank you. This is mine. So everybody's picking now the best coin and the best artifact.
Very nice.
One with gold coin. Well done.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
Best coin.
That's relic.
Now the best relic. Decide the best relic. The best relic.
The best relic.
Yeah.
Coin.
Yeah.
Relic.
To be Paddington Bear. Little man bear pig.
I think the Dutch doll's leg, is it?
Silver watch fob.
So, button for yourself over there.
This is Maria.
Yeah. Maria.
Yeah, I think this one.
Hey, where is
Maria.
Oh,
Maria.
He is old.
Yay, Johnny boy.
Ja, lekker dan. There you go. The best runner.
all right.
You're picking that? Over that? Are you mad?
Are you blind?
It's rigged. It's rigged.
Dawn, I still love your silver watch.
Oh, thanks. I was robbed, weren't I? No, it was a lovely old thing, that Mary. We're not upset, are we?
This is fixed.
Fixed.
This is rigged.
Rigged, innit? Yeah.
Rigged. Me and Mike and Dawn, we got the shaft on this one.
Because our finds were real. I mean, what did you find that was great?
I found real awesome old ancient.
You got $25.
Yeah, $25 token.
And Mike had how many?
Yeah, and I found all the tokens.
How many?
Yeah,
How many? I think
20 or
4, you see. I mean, he's probably won 4. It's probably won 4 detectors,
Oh yeah.
which is worth more than the gold coin.
Yeah.
So, do you know what? We'll just pretend we've won.
We know we won. We did win. We did win. They probably brought all their stuff and bought it on eBay.
That's it for Trip for Ellen now, so I'm going to have to go. And I'm going to get the plane later tonight, and then be on again. Oh, I've had such a lovely time. All these people are so nice. Really are lovely. So anyway, see you soon.